Welcome to qnawire.
So we are given an electron in a hydrogen atom which is in a circular orbit of radius 5.29 times 10 to the power minus 11 meter around a stationary proton. And we need to find the speed of this electron in its orbit. So the electric charges for the electron and proton result in a motion of the electron where this electric force between the two charges will be given by k times square of the charges, multiplication of the charges, and since they are both electrons, so it comes out to be e square over square of the distance between the two electrons. And here k is the Coulomb's constant, and it is equal to 9 times 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square over Coulomb square. E, as I said, is the electron charge and is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. So that's the charge on each electron. And R is the distance between the two particles. And this equals the radius of the atom. So that's equal to 5.29 times 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Now, now we can calculate this electric force, but before that we also know that the electron has a speed due to this electric force, and therefore this force can also be calculated by Newton's law, and this is will actually be the centripetal force because the electron is moving in a circle. So this will be equal to mv square over r. So that's the centripetal force which is caused due to this electric force. And here m is mass of each electron, so that is 9.109 times 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And v is the speed of electron that we want to find. Now, since this force, the centripetal force, is caused by this electric force, they have to be equal. So this means that Fc, which is the centripetal force, will be equal to Fe. So mv square over r should be equal to ke square over r square. And this gives V to be equal to ke square over mass times r. We need to take a root over of the whole thing. Now we can plug our values for k, e, m and r and find the velocity, and that comes out to be equal to 2.19 times 10 to the power 6 meter per second. And this can also be, so let me just write it somewhere here. So V comes out to be 2.19 times 10 to the power 6 meter per second, and you can convert this into kilometer per second, and that will be 2190 kilometer per second. So this is the speed of the electron of a hydrogen atom in its orbit. Thank you.